Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create these belt boots on Dress to Impress. So I am going to get this one in the even longer toggle, and I'm going to color it white and black. And then I'm just going to also select these boots, and I'm going to toggle it to the long setting here, and I'm just going to color it matte. Then I'm going to wait, didn't I just do matte? Oh my god, I'm very hungry. Sorry. The belts, why isn't it turning white? I don't know. Hold on, let's do supports pattern. There we go. And then I'm just going to color that white, and then I'm going to color like the belt black, and then I'm going to color the ends in like a glittery gold kind of vibe here. And that is pretty much it. Now you have this really cute belt boots hack on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.